Hey guys, how you going? My name is Dom and welcome to your 6th video tutorial on Skeleton. So today I want to take you through some of the basic styling that Skeleton applies to your HTML lists. And to be honest, there isn't too much of it. So if we see the Skeleton source code, we can see here we've only got about 14 lines of code for the lists. So it's not much, but it definitely makes your nested lists look a lot nicer. And I thought, well, I might as well talk about this just for completeness of the whole series. So let's go ahead here and create an example list inside this HTML file right here. So we'll see just a regular list and also a nested list. Okay, so let's go ahead here in the HTML and create a new container real quick with a row and a simple 6 columns layout. Alright, inside here, let's just say, for example, H3, and we'll say programming languages. Okay, and now the list is going to appear under here. This will be an unordered list. Alright, we can have here a few list items. So we'll say, for example, Java. We can say Rust. We'll say JavaScript, and we can say CSS and HTML. Alright, and we might as well show Perl some love, so we'll say Perl on the bottom there. Alright, so now if I was to save this and refresh, we get this right here. Alright, so just a basic list. And you can see here Skeleton applies some line height and some adjusted margins to make it look a lot better. Alright, so we can go ahead here and just, for example, make this a UL, an ordered list. You can refresh here and we get this right here. Okay, so pretty straightforward. So now for the nested lists, we're just going to go here and we're going to say a new list item, and we'll say web languages. Okay, and here we're going to put an unordered list. Alright, so we'll say web languages, a UL inside here, and put all of these LIs, these list items, inside the web languages list. Alright, so we have this this sub list right here. So I can save this and refresh, and we get this. Alright, so we have our sub list right there. Okay, and that is lists with Skeleton. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.